Good afternoon, and thank you for tuning in to the Woodall Grain Post-Market Wrap-Up for Thursday, March the 24th, 2016. May corn finished up again today, up a penny and a quarter, settling at $3.70 even. We were down in pre-market and during the first hour of regular session today, but we found some strength and managed to gain a slight gain for the day. May corn, like I said, finished up a penny and a quarter above yesterday's close, and the December contract closed up a cent as well. After stringing together about 4 weeks of strong export sales numbers, the corn number came in below trade expectations, which was somewhere between 900 and 1.1 million at 803,000 metric tons today. We are at total commitments of 74% of the USDA export total, so corn futures managed to close at the top of the day's trading range, but still they are below our current point of control levels. May soybeans finished strong. They were up strong all day today. The May contract gained 5 cents to settle at 9.10 and a half today, and in spite of being up against resistance, the soybean futures are starting to look a little bit bullish. The daily chart over the past 3 weeks is showing a slow creeping trend that looks a bit like an accumulation pattern. If it breaks out of this formation of resistance, this would be a move to the upside, and guys, it's very contrary to the supply and demand situation that we currently have. South America, Brazil specifically, is projecting 101 million metric tons. Argentina at the high 50s and 57, 58 million metric tons. So the narrative from a supply and demand perspective is still overall bullish, but technicals are trying to go the other direction. Soybean export sales were at the low end of the trade estimates today, coming in at 410.8 thousand metric tons. Estimates range for 400 to 600,000. Total commitments are 95% of the USDA export total, so we're getting near that 100% mark. July wheat export sales were strong, beating trade expectations in surprising fashion today. They ranged in expectations 150 to 350,000, and the sales number was the best in a month, coming in at 368,000. July wheat futures opened at the low ends of the trading range, then rallied for the balance of the day. It was down in the pre-market and could only get to 470 and a half, finishing the day down just a single tick. Key support level for July wheat is 463. If it breaks that level prior to breaking 480 to the top side, we're looking for prices to reach that 440 goal that we've been talking about for a while. Hey, thank you for tuning in to the Woodall Grain Post-Market Wrap-Up. Hope you have a great rest of your Thursday. Reminder that the markets will be closed tomorrow. We'll have a new update on Monday afternoon.